Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Nigerian porridge, popularly known as Asaro in Yoruba language. This recipe is super easy and I will walk you through every single step. The first thing we are going to be doing is pouring our palm oil into our pan. Then we are going to saute some onions, fresh pepper, crayfish, tomato paste. Trust me, your kitchen will smell amazing already. Then we add in our spicy cubes and a little seasoning magic. You can add your onion powder, the garlic powder, add everything in. Let it fry for a few minutes so that all these ingredients can marry together and give us a good taste. Once that is done, we introduce our diced yam into the pot, pour some water, onions. Do not forget to add a little bit of salt to your yam and cover it for a few minutes, maybe for about 2 minutes, and let the water boil a little bit. Once that is done, we're going to pour in our pepper mix, stir everything together, then you cover the pot so the yam can cook. After about 5 minutes, open the pot, pour your crayfish, pour your spinach or you use ugu leaf, pour everything, mix them all together, then you cover the pot and let everything mix together so that all the flavors can be well combined. If you have watched this video to this point and you are yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Please click on the subscription button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also turn on your notification bell so that you can get notified anytime we upload a video on this channel. Also, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up so YouTube can recommend it to more people. Thank you. Now our yam is cooked, and what I'm just doing right now is I'm just trying to break the yam a little bit. You can break it anyhow you want. If you want the yam to be more creamy, you can break it. If you want to still be seeing yam while you are eating your porridge, you can just break it a little bit. I hope that makes sense. Always taste your food, then let the porridge cook for a few minutes, and now our yam porridge is ready. Look how beautiful, how creamy, how yummy this yam porridge is. Will you be trying out this recipe? Let me know in the comment section. I would also like to know what they call yam porridge in your language. Please drop it in the comment section. Our yam porridge is ready and it's time to serve it to our loved ones. If you're always worried about the food to cook for your loved ones, don't worry. I have a 4 weeks family meal plan that you can use. All you need to do is download the PDF book from my description box. Guess what? It's free. I hope you all are enjoying my VLOGMAS. I'll see you all in my next video. Do not forget to share this video with your loved ones. Bye.